Hello, and welcome to Dr. Gary Nutritional, your trusted source for health and nutrition information that empowers you to live a healthier, happier life. I'm Dr. Gary. With over 40 years of experience researching and writing about nutrition, I've dedicated my career to helping people achieve their best possible health. Along the way, I've summarized more than 1,000 topics on various aspects of nutritional health, and now I'm thrilled to share this wealth of knowledge with you through this channel. Here on this channel, you'll find science-backed insights into topics like detox protocols, the effects of environmental toxins, boosting immune health, and holistic approaches to wellness. Whether you're looking to improve your nutrition, explore complementary remedies, or simply learn how to make healthier choices, this channel is here to guide you every step of the way. Thanks to the power of AI technology, I'm able to transform my research into engaging content that reaches more people, just like you, than ever before. While these videos are AI assisted, the insights and expertise come from me, a real doctor with decades of hands-on experience. If this resonates with you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and join our growing community. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Together, let's embark on a journey to better health and a brighter future. Remember, the information shared here is for educational purposes only. It is not intended as medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized recommendations. Products or methods mentioned are not FDA approved to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent disease. Thank you for stopping by. Until next time, stay well.